Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 123 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا. واتقوا, for wow, circle your lips. The makhraj of wow, the articulation point of wow is circling your lips. For fatha, open your jaws and then attach with ta. What ta? Ta is a very strong, clear sound. What ta? For fatha, open your jaws. Qaf is this is 2 counts long vowel. Qaf is heavy. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Make sure you make it 2 counts long. Wattaqu. Yaw. This is lean. There are 2 lean letters, واو lean and يا lean. واو ساكنة قبلها مفتوح، يا ساكنة قبلها مفتوح. Whenever you find fatha before waw sakina or fatha before ya sakina, you create lean, and lean is to say the letter very softly, and it takes 2 counts long too. Yaw malla. This is idgham without gunna. Yawmalla. You're merging the sound of tanween into lam and without making gunna. So you are not keeping the sound in your nose. Yawmalla. La is 2 counts long. This is part of 3 huruf mad. The first mad is the first long vowel is alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Second is waw sakina qablaha madmum, and ya sakina qablaha maksur. Whenever you find one of any of these combinations, you make the sound 2 counts long. La, so la will be long because it has this combination, the first combination. Alif sakina qablaha maftuh. Look, this is alif, and before alif you found what? Fatha. La taji. For fatha, open your jaws. On jim you will give qalqala. Qutubu jadin are the 5 letters. Whenever they are with the sukoon, you will give qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud, like you close the makhraj very tightly and then you let it go a little, which creates qalqala. Taji, z is 2 counts long. Naf, for fatha, open your jaws. On fa, you make sure you give hums. Hums is a flow of breath, and it is a major part of to pronounce fa. Naf. Can you hear the sound? Naf. Sun. Sun. There is izhar. Whenever you find huruf halaqi, which are 6, and those letters are ghain, kha, ain, ha, hamza, ha. These are the 6 letters. Whenever you find after tanween or noon sakin, you create izhar, and in izhar is to say the sound of tanween and noon sakin very clearly as it is. Don't change anything. Don't create extra gunna or anything. Nafsun, nafsun. Actually, there will be tawassut. Nafsun, an, ain from your throat, and you are attaching it with noon, and it is idgham with gunna. An, you will keep the sound in your nose and it is a longer gunna. Anaf. For fatha, open your jaws, and then you will attach it with fa, and fa will get hums. Hums is a flow of breath. So the flow of breath should be there when you say fa. Naf, sing. It is ikhfa. Ikhfa, the abbreviation of ikhfa is IK. Nafsing. You create it with gunna. Ikhfa is always with gunna. And sometimes some scholars say this ikhfa a gunna. Like they don't say ikhfa, but they say it's a gunna. So it's that the the part of gunna, the part of ikhfa, the gunna is so important that sometimes we change the sound, the name of this ikhfa and says it's gunna. So make sure you create it. Nafsing. Now, can you feel the sound in your nose? Yes, it should be there. Shay. This is lean. Ya sakina qablaha maftuh. Whenever you find ya sakin and there is fatha before it, you create lean, and lean has to be said very, very softly. Shay'an. This is idgham with gunna. You are merging the sound of tanween into waw, and with gunna, you are keeping the sound in your nose. Shay'an wa. For waw, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. La is 2 counts long vowel because it matches this. Can you see my cursor? Yes. This combination, alif sakina qablaha maftu. There is fatha before alif, so you will make it 2 counts long. Wala yuqa. For dhamma, circle your lips. For qaf, create qalqala, because this is the part of qutubu jaddin. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal. These are the letters. Whenever they are with sakoon, you create qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. Yeah, because you close the makhraj very tightly and then you let it go to make qalqala. Yuqa, yuqa. Ba is short. Lu. For dhamma, circle your lips. ولا يقبل min. For kasra, give e sound. For noon, you are giving tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow sound. And there is idhar, because whenever you find noon sakin and after noon sakin you find throat letters, and ha is a throat letter, then you create idhar, and idhar is to say the sound of noon sakin very clearly. Min ha is 2 counts long. Minha. Aad, ain from your throat, and create qalqala on dal. Dal is the part of qutubu jaddin. Qaf, ta, ba, jim, dal are the letters. Whenever they come with sukoon, we create qalqala, and qalqala is taba'ud. You close the makhraj very tightly, and then you let it go. When you let it go, you open the makhraj little, that creates qalqala. عاد عادل. This is idgham with gunna. You are merging the sound of tanween into waw. Loom, with keeping the sound in your nose. Adlu. Wa is short. La, 2 counts long, because this is the part of this combination. Long vowels. Alif sakina qablaha maftu. When you find alif and before alif you find fatha, you make it 2 counts long. Wala tan. You're hiding the sound of noon here because this is ikhfa. Tan, fa. Fa is short. Ru. For ain. Make sure you engage this makhraj of your ain, and it is throat. تنفع. For Dhamma, circle your lips. Ha, 2 counts long. ولا تنفعها. Sh, short. Fa, 2 counts long. And make sure you bring hums in fa. Fa, whenever you find it, whether it's with fatha, dhamma, kasra, or sukoon, you will bring hums surely. And hums is a flow of breath. Shafa'a, from your throat, and for fatha, open your jaws, and it should be short. Shafa'atun. For dhamma, circle your lips, and you are creating idgham over here with gunna. Tunwa. For fatha, open your jaws. For wow, you're circling your lips. And la is 2 counts long. Wala hum. For dhamma, circle your lips. When you will touch meme, you will give tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Wala hum yung. For dhamma, circle your lips. And then you will give ikhfa. So don't drop dhamma creating ikhfa. No, you have to give dhamma first and circle your lips very clearly, yung, and then you will create ikhfa after it, yung sa. For sad, make sad heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, yung sa. Roof will be 4 counts long, and you will give the wasut at the end because the noon is taking sukoon because of the waqf. ينصرون واتقوا يوما لا تجزي نفس عن نفس شيئا ولا يقبل منها عدل ولا تنفعها شفاعة ولا هم ينصرون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.